Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use transition and external style sheet. First, let's go here in CSS HTML and type width 100px and height for 100px. Save it, refresh your browser, and done. Next, let's create a transition WebKit link transition, then width equal 2 seconds. Then next is transition with 2 seconds. Then let's create a div hover, then with 500px. Save it, refresh your browser. When you hover the gradient, and it will transition to the left. Next, I'll teach you how to use external style sheet. Then let's cut this, save it. Let's see our browser, and there's no design. Next, go to your create a new file, save it as css style.css, save it. Then next, go to your HTML file, delete this, and then type link rel style sheet, then type text css, then href, the name of the file css style.css, then save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. That's it. See you guys in my next session. Thank you.